Guys, we're getting chased by ducks.
I know.
And we are going to a duck park. There's the ducks. And yeah.
Are you doing a real YouTube channel? I hope you're not.
I'm just kidding. But this will go on YouTube someday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, there's an old cabin here.
It's real creepy, you guys. Because look, there's a curtain there. Where's the...
Yeah, where's the door?
Yeah. Let's see, it's the door. Where is it? How you get in and
Cross.
how you get out?
We're crossing the road right now. Looks pretty clear.
Yeah.
See, no cars.
Oh, there's a car over there.
And it's a car way over there, but I can catch up.
I know, 'cause it's so slow.
So yeah. And I don't have Instagram, so I won't be doing no pictures. I'll show you everything. Alright guys, so yeah, it's gonna be cool. We're almost at the duck park. It's only like right there.
Guys, it's just right there.
Yeah, we got, once we cross the crosswalk, then we're good to go. Yeah.
I'm crossing the road. Guys, I'm crossing the road. Starting.
Carl ain't really. He's just walking on the rail.
Tofu in my mouth. Tofu in my mouth.
Look at Carl right now. He's on his tablet.
You're doing a YouTube channel. What are you thinking?
Yeah, it's cool. If you haven't seen that one video where I pranked Carl, like with that whoopee cushion, it's funny. Like Carl literally falls for it. So yeah, we're almost there. You can see it, we're getting closer. There's the ducks. If you don't see them, then
let's cross.
right here. My mom's having us cross. But we're here. Technically here.
What's up, everybody? It's a YouTube channel.
Carl's on his channel right now.
So you guys,
So
we're going to the duck pond. Not far away.
oh, she's throwing bread. She's throwing bread. And yeah, I'm gonna be throwing bread too. You want your picture taken? But we'll be taking pictures, so. Hey, we watering away. Two brothers. People down there. People in the water.
And you guys, look, they're just right there.
Hey, don't run away!
And there's some in the water. Okay, you guys were guessing. Some of you said more